Hello and welcome to Crafting Caregiving Part 3, Parenting Resources from the Newburgh Free Library. My name is Sarah Scoggin and I'm the Early Childhood Librarian at the Newburgh Free Library. Each part of this series of caregiving resources can stand alone, but I will put a link down in the description if you would be interested in watching parts 1 and 2. If you're looking for parenting resources, let the library help you find what you need. What follows are 7 resources that are available as ebooks through the Newburgh Free Library. If you live in the Newburgh Enlarged City School District and you don't have a card, you can call 845-563-3600 for more information. These ebooks will be available through Libby and Hoopla, the Newburgh Free Library's 2 digital platforms. Between these two, we have ebooks, audiobooks, movies, TV shows, music, comics, and more. If you're new to Hoopla, I'll put the link to the tutorial there down in the description. So this week's resources, I'm going to focus on books that build connections. First up is Permission to Parent: How to Raise Your Child with Love and Limits by Robin Berman. Today, many parents have rejected the dictatorships they resented from their own childhoods, but they overcorrected by turning into child pleasers. Showering praise and letting kids rule the roost has actually eroded the very self-esteem parents are trying to create. This book shows parents how they can take charge while building a loving family with deep connections. How children learn love and respect at home becomes the template for how they show love and respect in life. Parents, teachers, and children themselves recount turning points at which they figured out what great parenting looked like and the magic it unlocked. A perfect mix of medical research and inspirational anecdotes. That's Permission to Parent by Robin Berman, and it's available through Hoopla. An Ounce of Prevention by Dr. Lawrence E. Shapiro. How parents can stop childhood behavioral and emotional problems before they start. What many parents don't realize is that it is possible to use preventative measures for emotional and behavioral problems, the same way you would use preventative measures for health and safety problems. Stop them before they happen. Many problems can be addressed long before symptoms appear. A variety of imaginative, highly successful strategies for handling the pivotal moments of every child's emotional development, from the infant and toddler years through teenage years. The author helps you understand whether your child is at risk for specific problems and what you can do to reduce the risk. Help build skills for your child to become more resilient. An Ounce of Prevention by Dr. Lawrence E. Shapiro, available on Libby. Next we have Positive Parenting, A Guide for Engaging and Connecting with Your Child by Kathleen A. Machunas. Are you a busy parent, grandparent, or guardian desperately searching for a way to connect with a child in your life? You will find practical strategies to address a number of common topics which present themselves as challenges to most parents, like how to lay a foundation which encourages positive parent-child communication, identify challenges and potential problems, avoid communication pitfalls, learn how to collaborate with your child to find solutions. The goal is to respond rather than react to situations. Why yell and butt heads with your child when you could both be solving the problem? This is Positive Parenting by Kathleen A. Machunas, available through Hoopla. Parenting with Love and Logic by Foster Cline and Jim Fay. So this starts with parenting with love and logic to help raise self-confident, motivated children. Parent effectively while teaching your children responsibility and growing their character. And find healthy control without anger, threats, nagging, or power struggles. The sequel to that is Parenting Teens with Love and Logic. Teach teens to make decisions responsibly and do so without going crazy or damaging your relationship. So this set is available, Parenting with Love and Logic, on Libby. Next is Parenting for a Happier Home by Stuart Passmore, the step-by-step guide to keeping your kids on track. This is an evidence-based program that first focuses on developing a strong relationship between parent and child before moving on to effective discipline. The principles can be used in each of the child's environment, at home, at school, with grandparents, etc., and with children diagnosed with behavioral disorders such as ADHD, oppositional defiance disorder, or explosive and noncompliant behavior. These strategies allow the parent to step back from what is often an emotionally charged situation, emphasizing teaching children ownership of their behavior. It makes self-sustaining discipline a goal. That is Parenting for a Happier Home by Stuart Passmore, available through Hoopla. And finally, we have Peaceful Parent, Happy Kids by Laura Markham. Dr. Laura Markham's approach is as simple as it is effective. Fostering emotional connection with your child creates real and lasting change. When you have that vital connection, you don't need to threaten, nag, plead, bribe, or even punish. This guide will help parents better understand their own emotions and get them in check so they can parent with healthy limits, empathy, and clear communication to raise a self-disciplined child. Solutions and kid-tested phrasing for parents of toddlers right through elementary years. If you're tired of power struggles, tantrums, and searching for the right consequence. So this Peaceful Parent, Happy Kids is an audiobook available through Libby. Thanks so much for watching.